All right, hey guys, here a quick video I was doing. I was messing around with this whole old fill valve that came out of the 1984 Kohler Rochelle that I got at the curbside for trash. That's now in the house working great because I took the fill valve out of this 1980 white one that I had here. I've got another white one just like this that's in mint working condition. This one is too. The valve was good. This was one I got from Habitat a while back because the bottom corner here was broke out. I had the pieces, I glued them back together, and I just never did do anything else with the toilet. Never installed it or anything. There really wasn't no need to. This is what I'm talking about. You guys see the double K logo? Well, the one in the house, the Almond 1984 one, does not have that. Now, both of these 1980s do, and so does the 76 pink Rochelle that I have. And I got another Kohler Wellworth that has it as well. But I don't know if the other one is just, that's about the year. I think someone had mentioned, I think even Vintage Kohler might have mentioned one of the comments that they stopped, kind of did away with that double K logo. I think it stood for Kohler of Kohler and about the mid 80s or so. So that would probably make sense unless that the cleaning service, this was like a multi-million-dollar house that them things came from. They might have had a cleaning service that just over-cleaned them and it got rid of it. I don't know. But anyway, this is the valve out of it, and this is probably why they retired the toilet, because they said the plumber told them it was going to be a little over $500 to replace the valve and for the labor. These valves are every bit of $350 plus shipping usually. So this is the diaphragm that was in the fill valve part. Here's the mechanism where your float would connect, and there's a plunger in here as well. There's a rubber gasket in there that's also rock hard, and that keeps water from spraying out of the top of this when it's filling. Okay, so yeah, this goes down inside here, and there's a seat down in there. I'm going to try to take that seat out. It may be okay. You never know. Just take an Allen wrench, and that screws right out of there. That's a plastic seat. Those are replaceable. This thing would have been able to have been rebuilt, but when I went to take it out, first thing that happened was the flush valve broke off of that. It just disintegrated in my hand. And the second thing, when I pulled it out, I'm like, wait a minute. It's missing the connector where with your threads where the water line connects. Somebody cut that off. They hacksawed that. So now it's pretty well rendered useless. That's just broke off. So it's parts. So I thought I'd take it apart, show you guys a video. I'm going to keep this top and these screws. I mean, this is all reusable here. Take the seat out. This was the backflow preventer. And all that is, there's another plunger that goes in there, and that's it right there. And as you can see, that is not good either. Put it up against this lid of the white Rochelle. You can see it better. If it stays up there. See, it's disintegrated. So what would happen, this wouldn't be working worth a crap. It would probably, yeah. You really wouldn't be siphoning water out of the tank, but what's going to happen with that seal being bad on that is you're going to have water spraying out of the top of this. So if you ever have a Rochelle or a Pompton or any of them toilets with this type of fill valve, and you have water coming out of the top of this when it's filling up, spraying out of this part, it's because that's bad. It's that seal right there. It's bad. So you can get parts for these. You got to go by these numbers here, and you can order parts from these from like plumbingsupplycompany.com, I think, and I think even there's some spot places on eBay I found where you can get parts to rebuild this. I took out the diverter and the rod and saved all those parts. So yeah, just going to keep it around for some spare parts. I mean, it is what it is. This is no longer usable, so just going to part it out, save these parts, and well, not this. This is junk, and that's junk, but yeah, so I just thought I'd show that real quick, guys, in case you're wondering what those are about. There's really not much to them. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching.